Today I'm gonna show you how to make the butterfly knife from, I don't know if you know that game, but it's Team Fortress 2, butterfly knife, or the balisong, as most of you guys know it. So let's get started. I'm going to skip right now, so you don't have to see me picking everything off. Okay then, so you want 5 of these. Yay! I'll have them in my hand. 4 of these. 3 of these. It's like 11 and 9, I think. Not sure. 1 of these round thing. Ah, damn it. 2 of these flat pieces, and 2 of these. So yeah, let's get started. So you want to take, oh, and these. So you want to take that and put the black one right inside, so one hole is sticking out. Then you want to take these, and then you want to stick them inside. And it should look like this. Yeah, and then you want to take your big hole like this and make it pop on one of these. See how the hole is sticking on this side. Then you want to take your beams, put it in. Yeah, not so it goes right in like that. With the plums sticking out, like so. With those sticking out, not facing the ends like the other side. But yeah. Then you want to take your beams, talking really much, these, and put them in the inside, with one little poop here sticking out. So let me just put those in. So once you got that done, you want to take these and put them on the outside, like so, with one poop left out. So yeah, you want to have it done like that. Oh wait, I did wrong. Cut, cut, cut. Let me just redo a little bit. God, I hate this knife so much. And it's cut right here because the knife is being a dick to me, and I don't like that. So yeah, now I got that done, finally. Like that. Take those things right there, because I did wrong. Then take one of these and stick it out a hole that is sticking out. Sorry if I didn't mention that, because you need to have one sticking out. So yeah, now that you got that done, you want to take your other beam, then put it right on top. Take this and pull it back. My mom is coming now. I'll cut that out. And then you want to take your thing here and put it at here, so one beam is sticking out, and then the sharp knife on top. Congratulations, you made your first butterfly knife. I did wrong. You need to take plates off again, then lift 2 loops out, like so. So yeah, you want to have these things that is pointing in. You need to move them, so yeah, there's 2 like beams right here sticking out, and then you'll make your first butterfly. Gonna perform some tricks like that. Yep, done it really good. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's make another video maybe last time. Okay, bye and have a great time.